bonsoir, bonjour, c'est Nisha Vlog qui l'a présenté l'autre vidéo sur channel Insta pour nous, c'est ça, c'est part 3 dans Smash and Pass. Vous voulez pour nous subscribe, like, abonner parce que vidéo ça pas for we. It's funny. It's gonna be lit. When I say lit, lit.
I got no stress. I want your big.
Smash or pass? I think I'm gonna smash. The reason because why I say I will smash is that he looked really cute. I'm not gonna lie, he looked cute to me. To me, he looked cute, and he looked like somebody who chill, you know, who get a good vibe or whatever. But the other thing that caught my attention is that the way he dressed. Basically, I like when girls dress like that. You know, you feel me? It makes you feel like a gentleman, even though if it's a hood nigga, you know, you look like a gentleman. Yeah. But overall, I like his hair or whatever. I like dudes with hair also. You know, I like the rasta. But anyways, smash or pass? I think I'll smash him, to be honest. Cause the reason why I said I will smash him, I like his smile. He's tall. I like my tall dudes, cause you know, a girl 5'3", I can't be dating somebody who's short like me. I gotta reach. I don't know if you can see. I gotta reach for the kiss. But anyways, overall, yeah, I will smash him. And he seems like a person who could dress whatever. I think I spoke to him a few times, but I don't really know him like that. I don't know, but looking through his pictures or whatever, you know, he got a nice smile, the dress, his personality probably good too. I can't judge a book by its cover, but from his experience, smash or pass? Pass. Ok, pou sa m chwazi pass la. Mwo, abi moun la mwen meti abi moun la. Mba fe meti mwen meti abi moun. Depend, but you're just not my type, nigga. You're not my type. But anyways, ou ka yon ti fom seksi ni ba men ekip wou gwo. Sexy. But how was that? Pass. Kenny. Smash or pass? Smash. Police, I'm sure it's smash. Me no know. I do not know. But you know, you look cute. Wallet. Bon garçon. Wallet. Smash or pass? Ha. Smash. Man, pou tout nèg yo mwen me habillement yo, man. Nou pa kon habille led. Mwen me habillement. But anyways, we ba ipe ki nou mwen ak sin de konen ki konta ou te rete mta volet. Sa va bien biti mta ha volet. You feel me? But anyways, smash, you know. Smash or pass? Glory. Pass. Ou tou a fwekan? Chak le wap jwe. Sa vle di wap football pass no budou. Anyways, pass. Ou ba led? Mba fe mwen tou wallet ba e sa. Mba pass la paske ou fwekan tou wap. Smash or pass? Smash. You wallet. Sama, mba me good neg. Pou yo pa kraze, man. I don't like them big. You feel me? But anyways, I'll smash. I like your braids. Let me have one. Nigga, let me have one. Oh, I forgot my nigga. Ista. Smash or pass? Smash. Please don't smash back on it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Asa fica no bliye pour nous like, comment, subscribe, et puis, you know, share avec zami nou. Et puis, pas oublier pour nous checker le channel moi pour nous subscribe to. Mbo ko get video sou li sa mo. Vous connaissez, wap jon kek bagay. But anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.